Not all love story ends with I love you too. Some ends with 100 poems and a goodbye. Let's talk about the pain, the poetry, and the reality behind Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella, written by Jason Paul Laxman. The Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella is a sincere yet heartbreaking story. It is a story about beginnings, endings, and everything in between. It shows the reality of love that destiny can stop you and won't always be on your side because between happy endings and fairy love stories, there lies the truth that life doesn't always bend for romance. Stella is a quintessential Urkel girl. She sings in a band, carries a tough and rebellious personality, and seems fearless in everything she does. But behind those coatings is a strong, yet wounded Stella that many fail to notice. Like a typical college girl, she faces challenges, failing grades, family issues, anxiety, and the constant pressure of figuring who she really wants to be. Her character represents the struggles of many young adults trying to build a future while carrying a heavy emotional baggage. This is where Fidel enters. Fidel is the total opposite of Stella. Quiet, awkward, overly polite, and struggle a speech impediment, which forces him to follow his self-imposed three-word rule. Despite this, he is intelligent, sincere, and deeply loyal. Stella slowly grows fond of Fidel's presence. He becomes her comfort and her silent supporter. Over time, they become inseparable. Two very different people, connected by an unlikely but beautiful friendship. Fidel falls for Stella, but he can seem to blurt it out. Instead of confessing, he pours everything into poetry, writing 100 heartfelt poems to express the love that he keeps hidden. His love becomes his driving force for self-improvement. He studies hard, works on his speech, and becomes braver academically and emotionally. But after 4 long years of waiting for Stella, reality hits. When Fidel finally gathers the courage to confess, things don't go as planned. Time, circumstances, and life take their own course. Stella chooses her own path, and Fidel is left with the truth that love, no matter how intense, does not guarantee a happy ending. Yet, the story doesn't end in bitterness. Fidel learns to move on, not because he stops loving Stella, but because he learns to choose himself too. And Stella, in her own way, finds happiness elsewhere. Their paths separate, but the impact they had on each other remains. The Isang Daang Tula para kay Stella reminds us that not all love story ends in union. Some end in growth, self-discovery, and acceptance. And sometimes, the person who breaks our heart is also the same who teaches us how to heal. So, have you ever loved someone so deeply, yet destiny decided otherwise? If so, leave your comments down below.